Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to re-edit Google Maps location. If you added a place to Google Maps but it needs correction or updates, like a change of businesses, hours, address or category, you can easily re-edit the information, whether it's your location or a place you're managing. It's important to keep the map data accurate for better user experience. And here's how you can re-edit a Google Maps location. The first step is to open Google Maps, and you can do that by going on by opening Google Maps on your phone, Google Maps app on your phone or desktop browser, and you can search for maps.google.com. Make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once logged in, search for the location. Type in the name of the location, restaurant, business or place in the search bar. For example, set home, etc. Cancel. Let's see here. Let's look for a restaurant, for example. Look for it. Now click on the location, and once the location appears on the map, click on it and open the detail page. So you can see this is the detail page. Here you're gonna suggest an edit. Now on the locations information page, you'll see an option to suggest an edit. On mobile, you can find this under place feedback. See here. Let's go here. This is the option. Click on it. As you can see, it says suggest an edit. Click on it. Now on desktop it will be a button at the top of the location details. On mobile you can find this under place feedback. The fifth step is to edit the information. Choose the type of edits you want to change, for example change address, change update hours or correct details, and make the changes and click submit. For businesses you manage, you can edit directly through Google My Business if you are the owner. And for the sixth step is to wait for confirmation. Google may review your edit before it's published, and you'll receive a notification once your edit is confirmed. Re-editing a location on Google Maps is a great way to keep maps accurate and up to date. Whether you need to change hours or correct misplaced pin, these edits help enhance the map experience for everyone. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.